Hello everybody, today we will be unboxing this Magic Adventure Globe. This Magic Adventure Globe comes with a stylus, so then you can press any continent, country, state, or world wonder, and then it can give you facts and information about it. This is what the globe looks like when it's out of the box. Did you know this globe can also spin lots of times? It's very easy to spin this globe, as you can see. So we're gonna play with this, so I'm gonna press the on button.
Welcome to the Magic Adventures Globe.
Whoa.
You'll need to use the stylus to play with this globe.
Okay.
The stylus works best when tapped straight against the globe, not at an angle.
Countries. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about the world's countries.
So first I'm just gonna play with the countries. So I'm just gonna click China.
The People's Republic of China. China is the largest country in Asia and has roughly 1/5 of the world's population. This Asian country's vast area is the third largest in the world, and its culture and its civilization go back thousands of years. China is one of the great and influence on other cultures.
Okay.
Continents.
Now I'm gonna try to
Use
see the
stylus to touch
continents.
the globe and learn about the world's
So
continents.
let me now try North America.
North America. North America is the third largest
I
of
wonder
the
which
world's
country this
continents.
is.
The countries of Canada, the United States, and Mexico make up most of this continent's area. It is fourth in population among the world's continents. This continent is bounded on the north by the Arctic Ocean, on the east by the North Atlantic Ocean, on the south by the Caribbean Sea.
So now I'm gonna try to mix it up. So what it does is it pretty much makes up
The
the
United
subjects.
States of America. The United States of America is a country of North America and the fourth largest country in the world. Among its diverse 50 states, this country has some of the largest rivers and lakes in the world, with its Great Lakes forming the largest connected area of fresh water on Earth. Size. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about each country's population and area.
So size lets you see how much people each country or continent has.
Currency. Use the stylus to touch the globe and learn about each country's currency.
So let me see here. Russia.
Russia. The official currency of this country is the Russian ruble.
Okay.
Flags. Use the
So-
stylus to touch the globe and learn about each country's
So
flag.
I'm just gonna click the United States.
The United States of America. This is the flag of the United States of America. Languages.
So now I'm just gonna
Use the
see the
stylus to
languages.
touch the globe and learn which languages are
let
spoken in
me
different
see
countries.
here. I'm gonna click Poland.
Poland. Polish is the official language. Capitals.
Okay, now we can see
Use
the
the
capitals
stylus
of
to
each
touch
country,
the globe
of
and
each
learn
state,
about
country.
the world's capital cities.
So I'm gonna click United Kingdom.
London. London is the capital city of the United Kingdom.
Okay.
Landmarks.
Not
Use the stylus
landmarks.
to touch the purple landmark icons on the globe and learn about some man-made
Purple
wonders.
landmarks. I see one here in
The
India.
Golden Temple. The Golden Temple sits on an island in a small lake in the city of Amritsar, India. It is surrounded by the Sarovar, a large lake that is fed by the Ravi River. The Golden Temple is topped by a dome covered with 1,653 pounds of
That's a
gold.
lot. Okay, now let's
Geology.
see geology.
Use the stylus to touch the purple geology icons on the
So
globe,
there
or other
should
features
be
such as
some
rivers and
geology.
mountains.
Okay, so let me just try to find some places with geology here. Okay, there should be another one around here in
Mount
Nepal.
Everest. The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest. Everest is one of the Himalayas of southern Asia. The peak is on the border between Nepal and the Tibet region of China. Mount Everest rises to a height of more than 29,000 feet.
That's a lot.
The air at that height is thin, the temperatures are very cold, and the winds are extraordinarily strong.
I wonder what
The conditions near the top are too harsh for any plant or animal life to survive. And learn about animals
So
of the
now
world.
we're gonna see about animals. So I'm just gonna click Canada.
The pronghorn is found in grasslands and deserts in North America. It is the fastest land mammal in the Americas and can run up to 53 miles an hour. It eats shrubs, grasses, and cacti, and can even get all its water from cacti. Though once on the verge of extinction,
Whoa,
pronghorn numbers have recovered.
that's surprising.
Countries.
So thanks for
Use
watching
the
this
stylus
video.
to touch the globe and learn
Thanks for
about
watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and smile. Bye!